Hey guys, this is Tech Racer and today I'm to unbox something different on the channel again. Well, this is a phone but not a smartphone. So we have unboxed a lot of smartphones on this channel, but this is the first time I'm going to unbox a feature phone. So without any further delay, let's get started. So this is the packaging that I received from Amazon. So let's quickly open the packaging and see what do we get inside or which phone the package contains. So I'll just break down the packaging. So yeah, directly get our device. So yeah, it's going to be the Nokia 105, nothing else inside the packaging. So yeah, this is the box of our phone. So this is the Nokia 105 and it's completely a feature phone, as you can see. So at the back we have some specifications and information. Well, nothing to show about the specifications, but this phone is capable of doing SMS, voice calls and even FM radio capability. Nothing more than that. The price of this phone varies from about 1000 rupees to 1200 rupees Indian rupees, and this one is the single sim variant, and a dual sim variant is also available on the Amazon itself, but I was only in need of single sim, so that's why I purchased this one. So let's quickly open the box and see what do we get inside the box. So we do have the original seal over here, so I'm gonna simply break the seal. Okay, so we have break the seal. Let me open the box. So yeah, here in the front we have our phone itself in the packaging, and it's very small. As you can see, it completely fits over my palm. So let's quickly keep it aside for a timing and let's see what do we get inside. So we do have a charger. Well, now this time I literally missed the proprietary Nokia charger, because this time it's going to be the micro USB for charging the device. So yeah, sadly the pin wala charger not available this time. And after that we have our standard Nokia battery. So let me bring out the battery and show you the mAh. So the battery is of 800 milliampere hour. Well, it's going to be enough for this particular phone, so let's keep it aside for a timing. And a small quick start guide, nothing else inside the box. So let's quickly keep these things aside and take a look at our phone itself. So as this is our phone, so I bought this in the black color. Well, it's available in blue, pink and black color. So I went with the black color because both the colors look very odd. So I went with the black one. So if we talk about the quick overview of the device, so front we have a color display. So obviously it's going to be TFT display with a nice rubber keypad at the front, Nokia branding. The back side we have nothing, not even the camera, because it's going to be a very simple phone. At the top we have the micro USB port for charging the device, a flash, and the 3.5mm headphone jack. So let's quickly pop out the back panel and insert the battery. And as I said earlier, it's a single SIM variant. It's also available in dual SIM, so you can purchase that one as well. So let me pop in the battery. I hope it has some charge. And it's now time for the proprietary Nokia tune. So I'm gonna power it on. Well, there you go. uh, we have a nice logo, so I'm gonna quickly set up okay, the clock setting, so I'll set it afterwards. So guys, yeah, we are into the phone, so I'll set it up afterwards. We do have a nice keypad over here. So yeah, we do have a nice bubble like sound. Yeah, quite nice. And I guess double tap will launch the torch over here, so quite handy. So guys, let's quickly go to settings and hear that ringtone of Nokia. It's been I guess ages since I have listened to that ringtone, so I'll just so yeah, we used to hear this ringtone when we were used to in our childhood, but recently I haven't heard this ringtone. So yeah, again, let's quickly search for one more thing that's going to be this thing, the Snake Xenia, I guess, the Snake game to be precise. So yeah, we used to play this on our older Nokia devices, and now we do have a color one, but I prefer the older version because this one is like वो feeling नहीं आ रही वो खेलने में. So yeah guys, this phone is for those who want to carry a secondary phone for texting and calling purpose and don't want to spend a lot of money, because for a price tag of 1000 rupees it's completely worth getting this phone. Although you can go with the other variants with the dual sim, as well as few versions variants with multimedia capabilities with camera embedded into it, so you can just go around with other devices as well. But for the price of 1000 rupees it's completely worth getting this phone. So this is pretty much it for this video guys. If you found this video really helpful, then do that like button, subscribe button, and stay tuned for more such videos. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.